Hello and welcome to the Tableau Interview Question series, and this is the question number 12. And in today's question, I'm asking you what is the sales difference between a subcategory and the selected subcategory, which is this. So suppose this is the question which is coming to you, that first of all, you need to know, you need to create a parameter to find out which category you are selecting, and then after the selection, you need to find the subcategory of the difference between the existing subcategories. So these are the subcategories, right? And right now the art is selected. So if you find the difference between art and art, it will be 0, right? Because both are having same values. But then what is the difference between phones and art? So clearly phones is leading it, or phone is really having the sales higher than the art. But then these categories, envelopes, labels and fasteners, is having the sales lesser than art. That's why the difference is in negative. Similarly, if I show you something else like copiers over here, it changes drastically. Copier is present here, so now copier is 0 because it's the difference between the same category, right? But then half of these categories below to the copiers are having lower sales, and that's the difference between the bookcase and copiers, appliance and copiers. And then these are the categories which are positive, that means having the sales higher than the copier. So this is the visualization, or this is the output that interviewer is expecting that you will going to create. If let's say a case study is coming, or you are sitting in an interview, then you will have this thing. After watching my video, you will have this thing in your mind that what answer to give. But how you will reach to this level? Well, first is that quite easy, that you need to create the parameter. But what configuration and calculation you will do after the creating the parameter? Write it down in the comment if you are able to solve it. Well, if you are not, then you can find this workbook for question number 12, right, which is over here, and all my calculations will be related to 12 only for this particular sheet, like 12.1 or 12.4 and stuff like that. So it depends on the dependency that I had to create 4 different calculation to really come to this level. So 12.1, 12.2, 12.3. Similarly, many other calculation, if you see, is a hierarchical calculation. So for the easy usage, and you can follow these examples easily, the calculations are, the number in the calculation is attached to the number question or the sheet number. So with that, I hope you will enjoy this question. And if you are not able to find this workbook, well, the instructions is that link is present in the description, which will lend you, basically help you come to this location, which is dataset location. Over here I have a dataset sheet in which this particular workbook is basically the Tableau Interview Questions workbook, right? So go ahead, download this if you are finding it challenging and want to solve it and want to understand it, how I have solved it. So this should help you answer the question, because now you are aware how to answer this type of a question. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you in the next video with the new topic.